Welcome. Let's have a look at this question under partial fraction. We are to resolve or express 2 divided by 2 divided by the x squared minus what? 4. In resolving this, we always pay attention to the denominator to see whether it's a linear function, quadratic, and if it is quadratic, is it reducible or non-reducible? So you can see this is a quadratic term here, which can be reduced further. So I can have 2, it's a difference of 2 squared, therefore x plus 2, x minus what? 2. And reducing it into 2 different linear terms, that also have a way of which we can resolve that. That means that our 2 divided by x plus 2x minus 2 is the same as a as the first numerator divided by the first denominator or the first factor here plus 2, then b x what? Minus 2. This is how we resolve this very fraction into 2 different fractions. So now since this is equal to this and they have the same denominator, we multiply through by this denominator to clear it as a fraction to become a linear term. Meaning after multiplying through, let's say multiply by the x plus 2, x minus 2, we reduce this to only 2 at the left equals to, if you multiply, these are 2 fractions here, we are multiplying this by this very denominator, with this is denominator off. So this will cancel this, remaining this, meaning a will now multiply x minus 2, same denominator multiply here, that give us b, this cancel this, x plus what? 2. So now there are various ways by which this can be solved as well. We can expand, then do corresponding values. We correspond the left to the right. Or we find a way of eliminating one of the variables in terms of A or B by looking at the terms in the bracket. If I equate this equals to 0, I'll be having x minus 2 equals to 0, then 2 will now move to become what? Positive. So I can say that, let's say, put x equals to 2 by setting this equals 0 to eliminate, we are going to eliminate what? The variable a. When 2 is here, this becomes 0. That means that I'll be having 2 equals to, let me still maintain it there, 2 minus 2 plus b, 2 plus 2. That makes 2 equals to 0 here, then 4 what? B. But remember, we need the b alone. So b become 2 divided by 4, that will be 1 on 2. Alright, what do we do again? Here, we are going to set the whole of this equal to 0. Then this will move to become negative. So this also means that put x equals to minus 2 to eliminate b. So let's go by substitution. 2 will be equals to a into bracket, this is our x, which is now what? Negative 2 minus 2, b, negative 2 plus 2. That makes 2 equals to negative 4a plus 0. So fast forward, your a is also going to be 2 divided by negative 4, negative 1 over what? 2. So now we can resolve these fractions and say that this 2 on x squared minus 4 is equals to a, which is negative 1 over 2. Remember, this fraction will come to multiply. So I have negative 1 divided by 2 into bracket x plus 2 plus. I'm going for b, which is also 1 over. So I have 1 over 2x minus what? 2. So this become the fraction. We can also write this one first before bringing in this, because in the case of this, we decide to bring the x plus 2 first. It is not automatic to bring the x plus 2 first. The x minus 2 can also become the first term, and this become the second term. That means your a would have given you a positive value, and your b will give you what? A negative. So negative can also be here, just like we have for this. And I'm sure concept is clear. If you want the full tutorial on this, check the playlist for partial fraction or rational function on YouTube. We have all the aspects, the various ways by which we resolve every fraction with their different denominators, and that will be seen in that episode. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.